In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing thumbnails, previews in Adobe Bridge. If you've opened a folder and some or all of your images show only generic icons, this quick walkthrough will help Bridge rebuild those thumbnails so you can browse visually again. Start by opening the exact folder in Bridge where you're noticing the issue. Sometimes Bridge's view just needs a gentle nudge to catch up with what's on disk. Go to the top menu and choose View, then click Refresh. You can also use the F5 shortcut if that's easier. On some laptops, you may need to hold the FN key to trigger F5. When you refresh, Bridge forces a rescan of the folder and starts regenerating thumbnail previews. You might notice the grid briefly flicker, or the status area indicating it's working. Give it a moment, especially if the files are on an external drive or a network share, since those can be slower to read. Stay on the same folder while it rebuilds, and let Bridge finish before jumping to another location. If you still don't see the thumbnails, the most common culprit is a preference that tells Bridge to skip very large files. Let's adjust that. Open the Preferences dialog from the Edit menu, then select the Thumbnails section on the left. Look for the setting labeled Do Not Process Files Larger Than. This setting controls the maximum file size Bridge will process for thumbnails. If your library includes high-resolution RAWs, layered PSDs, large TIFFs, or hefty videos, the default cap may be too low. Increase the limit so it's comfortably above your largest files. For many workflows, setting it above 1000 MB works well, but feel free to go higher if your files regularly exceed that. Keep in mind that raising this limit means Bridge will work harder and may take longer to build previews, and it can increase cache usage. That's normal. You're trading a bit of performance for complete visual previews. Click OK to save your changes, return to the folder, and refresh once more using View, Refresh, or F5. Bridge should now begin generating thumbnails for those previously skipped files. Watch the status area as it processes and give it time to complete. That's all you need. A simple refresh to kickstart rebuilding and a quick preference tweak to ensure large files aren't ignored. With those two adjustments, your thumbnails and previews in Adobe Bridge should be back and reliable, making it much easier to cull, organize, and manage your assets.